Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 2, OV 166. काय चालले होते वाड्यात, वाद कशाचा होता भांडत. काय म्हणाले हे माडपंत, मजकडे पाहत बोलले. What was going on in the Vada? What was the controversy? What did this Hemadpant say? He said, looking at me. वाड्यापासूनी मशिदीपर्यंत मध्यंतरी अंतर बहुत, बाबांसी कळले कैसे हे वृत्त, आश्चर्यचकित मी मनी. There was considerable distance between the Vada and the masjid. How did Baba come to know about this? I was greatly surprised. असो ऐसा मी वाग्बाणहत, जाहलो निशब्द लज्जावनत. पहिल्याच भेटीसी की हे अनुचित, घडले अविहित मजकरवी. Whatsoever that may be, I was hit by the dart of Baba's words, and I was ashamed and speechless that this improper thing had happened right at this first meeting. हे माणपंत नामकरण, प्रातःकालींचा वादया कारण. तेणेची बाबासी हे माड स्मरण, मनी मी खूण बांधिली. The controversy in the morning was the cause for Baba naming me Hemad Pant. I made a mental note that he must have remembered Hemad because of it. देवगिरीचे राजे यादव, हेची ते दौलताबादीचे जाधव. 13वे शतकी राज्य वैभव, वाढविले गौरव महाराष्ट्राचे. The Yadav kings of Devgiri were known as the Jadhavs of Daulatabad. In the 13th century, the splendor of their kingdom increased the glory of Maharashtra. प्रौढ प्रताप चक्रवर्ती, महादेव नामा भूपती. पुतण्यातयाचा पुण्यकीर्ती, विक्रमे प्रख्याती पावला. The king Mahadev was dignified and majestic, an emperor. His nephew was also renowned for meritorious works and became famous because of his valor. तोही यदुवंश चूडामणी, रामराजा राजाग्रणी. मंत्री या उभयतांचा बहुगुणी, सर्वलक्षणी हेमाद्री. He was Ram Raja, a crest jewel of the Yadav dynasty and the foremost of kings. Hemadri was the minister for both of them, endowed with many good qualities, and was a man of many accomplishments. तो धर्मशास्त्र ग्रंथकार, ब्रह्म वृंदार्थ परम उदार. आचार व्यवस्था संगतवार, आरंभी रचणार हेमाद्री. Hemadri had to his credit a treatise on Dharma Shastra. He was philanthropic towards the Brahmins. He was the first composer of a consistent religious code of conduct. व्रतदान तीर्थ मोक्ष खाणी, नामे चतुर्वर्ग चिंतामणी. ग्रंथ रचिला हेमाद्रीनी, विख्यात करणी तयांची. Hemadri also composed Chaturvarga Chintamani, a famous book which was a mine of information on self-imposed religious observances, charity, holy pilgrimages, and salvation. गीर्वाण भाषेत हेमाद्रीपंत, तोची प्राकृती हेमाडपंत. मुत्सद्दी राजकारण निष्णात, होता विख्यात ते काळी. The Sanskrit name Hemadri Pant became in the Prakrit Hemad Pant. He was very famous in those days as a diplomat and an expert in administration. परितो वत्समी भारद्वाज गोत्री तो पंचमी तीन प्रवरी तो यजुर्मी ऋग्वेदाधिकारी तो धर्मशास्त्री मी मूढ़. His lineage was from sage named Vatsa, and mine from Bharadvaj. His lineage had 5 exalted persons, while mine has 3. He was a Yajurvedi, while I was a Rigvedi, and he had studied the science of Dharma Shastra, while I was an ignoramus.